Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download LinkedIn video on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download LinkedIn video on your Android device is quite simple. Open up your LinkedIn application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage of LinkedIn, go ahead and find the video that you'd want to download. For example, I'm gonna download this video over here. To download the video, tap on the three dots at the top right of the video and tap on Share Via option. Now tap on the copy button to copy the video link and open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser, in the search box, search for LinkedIn Downloader and you'll be able to see this link appearing at the top. Give it a tap and this will open up the Experts PH site. Scroll down and in the search box, paste in the link that you just copied from LinkedIn and now tap on the download button right next to it. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you can download the video. The video will be displayed on this page. Tap on the three dots right under the video and tap on the download button. Now your file has been downloaded and you can now simply open up your gallery and find the video downloaded on your camera library. That is how you can easily download a LinkedIn video on your Android phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.